Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we're tackling one of the most significant challenges facing medical device manufacturers in Europe: the notified body capacity crisis under the Medical Device Regulation, or MDR. The transition from the previous Medical Devices Directive, MDD, to the more stringent MDR, EU 2017-745, was a monumental regulatory shift designed to enhance device safety and efficacy. However, it has inadvertently created a severe bottleneck that threatens market access for thousands of products. The core of the problem lies with notified bodies, the third-party organizations designated to audit and certify medical devices. Under the MDR, the designation criteria for these bodies became far more rigorous. This led to a sharp decrease in the number of available notified bodies, dropping from over 50 under the MDD to around 40 today. Compounding this, the depth of scrutiny required for each device submission has increased exponentially. This means fewer organizations are available to handle a much heavier workload for every single product. This situation created a perfect storm when combined with the sheer volume of legacy devices. These are the thousands of products that were legally on the market under the old MDD and now require full recertification to meet MDR standards. The result is a massive backlog, with manufacturers reporting wait times of 1 to 2 years just to secure an audit slot. This left many companies in a dangerous position, with their existing MDD certificates set to expire long before they could achieve MDR compliance, effectively forcing their products off the European market. Recognizing this could lead to a public health crisis by causing shortages of essential devices, the European Commission took action. In March 2023, they adopted Regulation EU 2023-607, which extends the transition period. This extension is staggered by risk class. For high-risk devices, like Class 3 and implantable Class 2B devices, the deadline to obtain MDR certification is now December 31, 2027. For lower-risk devices, the deadline is December 31, 2028. However, this relief is not automatic. To qualify, manufacturers had to lodge a formal application for MDR certification with a notified body by May 26, 2024, and must have a signed written agreement in place by September 26, 2024. While this extension has provided critical breathing room, it has not solved the underlying capacity shortage. The pressure remains immense, and navigating this landscape requires a robust and proactive regulatory strategy. If your company is navigating the complexities of the EU MDR or seeking global market access, Pure Global can help. Our team provides the expertise to streamline your path to compliance. We encourage you to check the description for this episode to find a link to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.